ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbentaban Shakriya P, habo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Menteri Rangba jong ka Sorkar Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma, ha ka arpu kendai terik ukulalengkot arajar arpuwei ula ong bahagi Taïew banwan ka Sorkar kalabu Thong ban Pyndep ya ka Jingai Injek Dawai COVID kat kendai hadu hnyopo hajar ngut kinong trei jong ka tenat ka koit ka khia Ïaka ni Menteri Rangba ula pensngau ha ka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ka jingyalang bu mau nong rim ban pentrei penhe ya ka surok pas I garampani ka badan hayoksi ula benrap susu da ka baong Bakum banlai hajar praspa angut tam kinong trei jong katanat ka koi ka khia kiladep banyo ya ka Jingai Dawai Injek COVID kat kendai bat hadu menta kamsim ladon kano ka jingkta yaki hagajo ka por na kaliang jong Menteri Rangba ula kenturu ya kinong trei jong katanat ka koi ka khia bat kumjuru ya ki bahaying hasam jongki bakin wan shakmat ban ai ya ka Jing Injek Dawai COVID kat kendai.
The COVID vaccine that has come in, we have already given vaccination to 3,800 of the health workers as of last evening, and today also the program will continue. We have a target of completing 17,000 in the next coming weeks. Till date, after the 3,800 people have been given this the vaccination, there has not been any serious adverse reaction by anybody. So therefore, from our state of point of view, and even the numbers that are coming in at the national level, it is clearly reflecting that safety is absolutely there. There is nothing to be concerned about, and I encourage and urge all our health workers that for their own safety and for the safety of their families, it will be very, very advisable to take this vaccine. And very soon we will also come to know about the efficacy part, because we will be doing antibody testing. So that will take time after the second shot has been given to them. But as I mentioned, there has been no adverse cases in our state, and even at the national level there have been no very few people have been complaining about some fever, but majority of the people have had no reaction at all.